Placed, not waste. Me value direction over speed. True creed. Momentum born from repetition. Small, stand tall. Me nah spit there because mood low. Discipline grow. Progress unseen still accumulate. Slow, me know. Stability outlast sudden leap. Roots deep. Me just gradual rise of sun. Work done. When road then me adjust angle. Steps still reach farthest. Steady grace. Na na na, na na. Heat builds slow under surface line, forming shine. What squeeze tight can still refine. Perfect design. Pressure test, character frame. Reveal name. Me nah fall under heavy load. Strength mode. Every squeeze sharpen knee edge. Silent pledge. Re-accept wake without complaint. Prove gain. Comfort na forge durability. Reality. Resistance build in a core. Open door. We see challenges sculpting tool. Not cruel. Each trial polish clarity. Finality. afraid. Love is dead. Reaction measure, breath control. Mind goal. Stress now master me response. I advance. I'm plus tension trip is off. Problem solved. Me trust the process, love but sure. Enjoy. What compress, we also elevate, create. Pressure make diamonds stand best. Manly sets. Pressure make diamond clean and true. Breakthrough. From death to brilliance we rise. Here rise. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Early sound a drum in a me chest. Heartbeat bless. Ground still firm beneath me feet. Motion meet foundation deep. Me not stuck in a yesterday frame. Still respect the name. Roots was strong while we move ahead. Forward tread. Tradition guide but not change me mind. Past and future intertwined. Me balance old word with new tone. Still me own. Movement without losing days. Sacred days. Me not drift far from where me start. Compass art. Every step take a history sound while me build new ground. Progress not erase the core, just expand more. Roots in motion, strong and free. Evolve me be. Roots in motion, firm and wide. Still alive. Voice from quiet in a chest, soon express. Sound born from conviction, real truth reveal. Me not shout fi dominate space, just state me case. Every word carry weight and tone, fully grown. We speak clear even when room tense. No defense, confidence come from knowing self. Inner wealth, silence teach me when to talk, when to walk. Me now waste bread pan empty fight. Choose right, echoes travel further when pure. Endure, message and deep when calm deliver. Mapped quiver, echoes without fear. Clear and strong, carry on. Echoes without fear. Clean and wide, no hide. Me nah edit truth fi comfort zone. Solid tone, respect born from honest soul. Not profound, is keep funds and let it sit. Perfect fit, words not just a human sign. Just align, even whisper whole authority. When clarity, me nah need volume for the earth. Every word, hear me with vibes, truth remove fear. Crystal clear, echoes without fear. Spade it flow, let them hold. Echoes without fear. Rooted deep, truth key. Softly, but meaning stay. Endless way.
Aye, aye, aye. Old Rasta on the way, yeah, man. In the garden, secrets grow. Hidden truth we come to know. Every flower, every vine, teach the soul a word divine. Roots go deep, the branches tall. Garden bless and guide us all. Every color, every shade. Garden where the light is made. Elders sit beneath the tree. Garden sing of prophecy. Birds them carry sacred song. Garden teach where we belong. Babylon cannot enter here. Garden keep the spirit clear. Every leaf a book of truth. Garden guide the heart of youth. Morning dew and evening rain. Garden heal the world of pain. River flow and sunlight shine. Garden show the plan divine. No more hunger, no more fear. Garden make the blessing near. Every path a righteous way. Garden turn the night to day. Seasons change, but still it grow. Garden where the spirit flow. Fruit of mercy, seed of peace. Garden gift that never cease. Babylon axe may swing in vain. Garden truth remain again. Everlasting, bold and free. Garden guard eternity. Generation gather round. Garden make the holy sound. Wisdom bloom from age to age. Garden write the righteous page. Every voice a sacred hymn. Garden light will never dim. Ever pure, forever bright. Garden shines your holy light. Grow, grow, holy seed. Garden give us all we need. Shine, shine, wisdom flame. Garden glorify your name. Garden of wisdom strong and true. Teach the people what to do. Bloom forever, never fade. Garden where your light is made. Psychic blessing, pure delight. Garden shine both day and night.
Aye, aye, aye. Ganja with Zion music, yeah man. Before the sun peak over hill, me hear the earth so calm, so still. Bird a sing them holy song. Tell the world fi right the wrong. Me stretch me hand to Jah above. Feel the warmth of perfect love. Me light me fire, me brew me tea. Morning in Zion set me free. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Me walk the path through garden gate. Herb in bloom, me give thanks great. Me see the eld upon the stone. Chant and reason both Jah throne. The youth them gather, smile so wide. Morning light in a them pride. No Babylon chain can bind. Zion dwell in heart and mind. The mountain mist start drift away. Reveal the hills in gold array. The goats them climb, the river shine. Every sign a Jah design. Me hear Naya Bingi drum from far, calling we to who we are. Morning bring the truth again. Zion life run through me vein. Rise up, morning call. Stand tall, Rasta never fall. Chalice burn, vibration high. Praise Jah sun in the sky. Every leaf and every tree tell the story naturally. No man can dim Jah light. Morning push away the night. Me reach the clearing where people meet, sharing fruit and bread so sweet. Children dance in the morning ray. No worry, just pure play. Me pass the herb from hand to hand. One love circle pon the land. Morning time me feel so blessed. Zion spirit make me rest. Before the noon me lift me song. Fi keep the day both bright and strong. Every chant a seed we sow. In Jah garden it will grow. Morning in Zion never fade. It's the start of works we made.
sky in red and blue, morning in a Zion, pure and bright. Guide we through the day and night.
Jah bless the people, yeah man. In the circle gather round, roots of the drum shake the ground. Heartbeat rhythm, ancient tone, carved in wood, eternal stone. Every strike a sacred flame, every beat exalt Jah name. From the forest, from the earth, drum proclaim the holy birth. Away. Voices rise in harmony, drum beat set the spirit free. Not of weapon, not of war, drum unite the near and far. Call the people, guide them way, roots of drum still play today. Sound eternal, sound divine, drum a lifeline every time away. Dance begin, the circle wide, drum connect them side by side. Sufferer smile, warrior sing, roots of drum a holy thing. Through the desert, through the rain, drum repeat the ancient strain. Generations carry strong, drum beat ride the timeless song away. Even when the night is cold, roots of drum beat strong and bold. Even when the chain them bind, still the rhythm free the mind. Every echo tell the tale, truth of Zion must prevail. Roots unbroken, pure and true, drum remind what people knew. Flow, roots of drum forever grow. Beat, beat, sacred line. Roots of drum, eternal sign. Roots of the drum, strong and clear. Carry the message year to year. Never fading, never gone. Roots of drum still play on. Forever sounding loud and free. Roots of drum for unity. Oh.
Reggae of Zion, Kenya man. Early morning juke and me lax. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me carry Jah light on the inside. Me chant psalms from me heart core. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walk in tune, me life align. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and your name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One lover lead me every day. Missy mountain, missy valley, me pass city and small alley. Some try test I, throw me shade, but Jah give I strength, me never afraid. Me humble like lion, who know him power. Me rise like sun, hour by hour. Me reason with trees, me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life, but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop a rain teach I something, fi ease the pain. Me nah compete, me nah chase clock. Time nah real pan, Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me carry you. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and your name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One lover lead me every day. Me meet elders pon me trail. Them share wisdom like holy grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you're lost, just look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need fi rush. Just feel the earth, feel Jah touch. We all day, pan sacred ride. Some slow, some quick, some try hide. But truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace.
Zion, Rasta way a man. We have Zion pure and bright, guide the children through the night. It shine eternal, never fall. Zion, way for all. No Babylon can block the road. Zion, way heavy load. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion, way carry you. Zion, way clear and long. Keep the people standing strong. Every step a holy flame. Zion way exalt his name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Zion way all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion way shining strong. He bless the children, bless the man. Zion way Jah plan. Forever glowing wide and free. Zion way there son. Zion we never done. It lead the nation, lead the youth. Zion way, Jah truth, forever holy, strong and bright. Zion way, Jah light. It hold the spirit, hold the soul. Zion way, make we whole. It shine eternal, never fade. Zion way, Jah made. No Babylon can hide this sign. Zion way divine, forever blazing pure and long. Zion way, Jah song. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion way, Jah hand. When the trumpet sound again, Zion way still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion way bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion way show Jah way, eternal walking firm and strong. Zion way, Jah song. Walk high, walk free. Zion way for you and me. No chain, no wall can block the road. Zion way, every load. Zion way, clear and long. Keep the people standing strong. Every step a holy flame. Zion way, exalt his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion way still carry on. Zion echoes, we are the warriors, born in the fire. Heart full of strength, soul full of desire. The road ain't easy, but we stand tall. Guided by Jah, we answer the call. Them fight the light, them try to block the way, but we rise above, we see the break of day. Me hear the voices of the people cry, but the warriors of the light, we never shy. Me feel the power in the wind and the sea, the strength of the earth, the roots of the tree. We fight for the truth, we fight for the right. We are the warriors, we stand for the light. Warriors of the light, we rise up strong. The power of Jah, it make we belong. No fear, no doubt, no turning back. Warriors of the light, we stay on track. Warriors of the light, we fight for the truth. We stand in the fire, we stand in the youth. Jah Jah guide me through the storm and strife. We are the warriors, we live the life. Them try to put us in chains and in pain, but the warriors of the light, we break the chain. Me see the darkness, me see the fight, but me walk with Jah. Me carry the light. We stand on the front lines, we lead the way. We rise from the ashes, we rise every day. The system crumble, but we hold the key. The warriors of the light, we born to be free. Me see the battle, me see the rage, but Jah Jah power break the cage. Through the fire, through the storm, we stay true, we stay warm. Warriors of the light, we rise up strong. The power of Jah, it make we belong. No fear, no doubt, no turning back. Warriors of the light, we stay on track. Warriors of the light, we fight for the truth. We stand in the fire, we stand in the youth. Jah Jah guide we through the storm and strife.
We are the warriors, we live the life. Through the darkness we find our way. Warriors of the light, we rise today. Me see the power in the eyes of the youth. The warriors arise, we speak the truth. Them try for break we, them try for bind. But the warriors of the light, we free the mind. We fight for peace, we fight for love. We fight for the justice Jah speaks above. Me see the battle, me see the field. But the warriors of the light, we never yield. In the struggle we find.
Na Zion Reggae. Upon the throne of righteous King, Zion power everlasting. Not of gold nor silver bright, but of love and holy light. It ruled the meek, it ruled the true. Throne of Jah for me and you. Every word a holy call. Throne of Zion reign for all. Throne of Zion, seat of peace, rule of love will never cease. Every nation, every tongue bow before the righteous one. It stands so high, it stands so strong. Throne of Jah where right belong. No tyrant hand, no wicked reign. Only truth and love remain. It guide the people, guard the land. Throne established by Jah hand. Forever justice, never wrong. Throne of Zion ever strong. Me see the elders gathered near. Sing the song for all to hear. Throne surrounded by pure flame. Glorify the holy name. It bless the children, bless the poor. Throne of Zion open door. No Babylon can overthrow. Throne of Jah forever show. It shine like diamond, glow like sun. Throne of Zion rule is one. Every crown and scepter fade, but Jah throne forever made. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Throne of truth, all man seek. Righteous seat for all mankind. Throne of Jah, eternal mind. When the final trumpet play, throne of Zion still will stay. It judge the earth, it rule with care. Justice always standing there. No power greater, no name higher. Throne of Jah, eternal fire. Seat of mercy, seat of song. Throne of Zion ever strong. Stand tall, bow down. Throne of Zion wear no crown. Only light and only love. Throne established high above. Throne of Zion, seat of peace, rule of love will never cease. Every nation, every tongue bow before the righteous one. From dawn of time till end of day. Throne of Zion always stay. Aye, aye, aye. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Aye, aye. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Hear the thunder, shake the land. Voice of Jah is mighty hand. Echo deep across the plain. Thunder break the wicked chain. righteous truth. Babylon tremble, kingdom fall, thunder rise above it all. Lightning flash and rivers glow, thunder let the whole world know. Prophet hear the holy sound, thunder shake the solid ground. No more silence, no disguise, thunder open blinded eyes. Every echo pure and bright, thunder prove the holy might. Echo strong, thunder chant the Zion song. Every strike a sacred sign, thunder mark the will divine. Darkness scatter, night is gone, thunder guide the morning sun. Every heart begin to see, thunder bring the victory. Babylon tried to hide away, thunder still declare the day. Walls collapse, the towers fall, thunder judgment reach them all. Every lie and every scheme, thunder break it like a dream. Echo loud both far and near, thunder say the truth is here. Jump, ja-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Generations lift the hand, thunder sweep across the land. Everlasting, bold and free, thunder sing eternity. Voice eternal, sound so pure, thunder truth will still endure. Glorious echo, strong and bright, thunder shines a holy light. Boom, boom, mighty tone, thunder never stand alone. Rise, rise, voice of flame, thunder glorify your name. Thunder in the valley, pure and strong, shake the earth with holy song. Never silent, never still, thunder move by Jah will. Forever roaring, bold and free, thunder sing the prophecy. Rasta man is so high, man. Now when the thunder roll across the plain, Babylon tremble in the rain. Lightning strike the iron wall, thunder sound the righteous call. No more crown upon false head, no more system feeding dread. People gather, voices rise, thunder open blinded eyes. Soldiers march but heart is weak, thunder make the silence speak. Ancient drum in rhythm strong, carry justice all along. Chain them break with mighty roar, thunder shake the city core. Fire flash, truth reveal, Babylon kingdom no one seal. Oh. Hear the trumpet, hear the cry, Babylon towers start to die. Thunder roll across the sea, calling out to set them free. Every elder lift a hand, see the judgment flood the land. Lightning paint the sky so wide, Zion people stand with pride. Not by anger, not by sword, thunder bring the living word. Mighty sound of Jah declare, freedom rising everywhere. Nation bow, nation sing, thunder call for righteous king. Babylon wall fall to dust, thunder teach them truth and trust. Roll, roll, thunder cry, shake the earth, split the sky. Fall, fall, kingdom wall, thunder sound for one and all. Thunder over Babylon, break the chain, wash away the bloody stain. Truth come down like heavy rain, thunder call again, again, forever roaring. Mighty strong, thunder sing Jah holy song.
Na 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 Zion, yeah man. Shining bright from heaven high, Zion light will never die. It guide me spirit, guide me soul. Zion light make me whole. No darkness can dim its flame. Zion light exalt your name, forever glowing, pure and true. Zion light for me and you. Zion light shine so strong, guide the people all along. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion light, call your name. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion light, all people seek, forever holy, never gone. Zion light, keep it strong. It burn the wicked, heal the kind. Zion light, renew the mind. Eternal glowing, never cease. Zion light, bring your peace. Me see it rising morning sun. Zion light, the chosen one. It blaze eternal, never fall. Zion light, fi one and all. It warm the heart, it free the soul. Zion light, me holy goal, forever shining, bright and wide. Zion light, always guide. It rise eternal, shine so high.
shine free. Zion light, eternity. No night, no chain can dim the glow. Zion light, forever show. Zion light, shine so strong. Guide the people all along. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion light, call your name. From age to age, from night to dawn. Zion light, keep shining on. From age to age, from night to dawn, Zion light keep shining on.
Na 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 Zion, reggae yeah man.
walk the Zion path so true. Jaja guide me steps anew. It lead the humble, guide the meek. Zion path all soul shall seek. No Babylon can block the way. Zion path forever stay. It shine with light, it shine with flame. Zion path exalt his name. Zion path straight and clear. Jah forever walking near. Every step me soul be strong. Zion path me walk along. Ganja and Zion reggae, yeah, man. When the morning sky turn gold, crown of light your hand unfold. Rise up on the mountain crest, give the weary soul a rest. Every color in the sky, speak the truth that never die. Glory shining bright and new, crown of morning light break through. No more sorrow, no more chain, morning crown erase the pain. Traveler weary find his way, guided by the break of day. Shadow vanish, night is gone, crown of light still shining on. Every tear dry from the face, morning crown restore the grace. Every step up, holy song, light of Jah will keep them strong. Stone of Babylon start to fall, morning crown redeem them all. Shine with golden flame, birds of Zion call your name. City wall no longer high, morning crown uplift the sky. Soldier lady, weapon down, rising step to wear the crown. Glorious fire, pure and bright, crown of Jah a guiding light. Trumpet sound across the land, morning crown by Jah hand. Generations standing on, morning crown fulfill the law. From the elder to the youth, crown of light reveal the truth. No corruption, no disguise, morning crown before the eyes. Justice flowing, mercy sing, morning light crown Jah King. Everlasting, bold and true, morning crown for me and you. Eternal, never fade, by Jah power it was made. Every nation go and see, morning crown of victory. Earth rejoicing, sky proclaim, crown of light exalt Jah name. New creation dawn so near, morning crown forever here. Shine, shine, morning flame, crown of glory Jah name. Rise, rise, break the night, morning crown bring the light. Glow, glow, never cease, crown of light declare the peace. Crown of morning light, bold and true, guide the people, carry through. Never fading, never fall, crown of light, bless them all. Forever glowing, pure and bright, crown of Zion, morning light. On the mountain, in the plain, morning crown forever reign. No, ganja and Zion, yeah, man. Hear the drum beat in the night, ancestors keep the fire bright. Through the struggle, through the chain, flame of memory still remain. Whisper from the earth below, stories of the roots we know. Guiding hand from long before, flame still burning nevermore. Every elder chant a line, carved in stone, eternal sign. Blood and sweat, yet spirit strong. Flame a guide the whole along. No oppression hold it down. Flame of truth a shining crown. Generation pass it on. Flame of ancestors never gone. When the storm a try to rise, flame still dancing in the eyes. Babylon a spread them lies. Flame of wisdom never dies. Children born with spark inside. Flame of courage never hide. Roots grow deep beneath the soil. Flame reward the righteous toil. War may rage and nations fall. Still the flame unite them all. From the desert to the sea, flame of ancestors set we free. Sacred fire light the way, shining bright till break of day. Every spark a holy call. Flame of Zion bless us all. Lift your hand and feel the heat. Flame of past and future me. Torch of love, eternal guide. Flame of truth we never hide. When the darkness try to stay, flame of ancestors chase away. Forever glowing bold and pure. Flame of Zion shall endure. Burn, burn, sacred fire. Lift the people's spirit higher. Shine, shine, bright and strong. Flame of ancestors, carry on. Flame of the ancestors burning high. Like the people never die. Forever glowing bold and free. Flame of truth for you and me. Eternal fire, righteous core. Flame of ancestors, evermore.
Zion Reggae's back, your man.
City wall so high and proud. Babylon speak its words so loud. But in the distance light appear. Flame of truth draw ever near. Stone and steel begin to shake. Flame of freedom start to wake. Every spark a righteous plan. Flame remind the soul of man. Market cry and merchant boast. Flame of mercy hunt them ghosts. Paper kingdom, greed and gold. Flame of justice break that hole. Every tower lose its pride. Flame of truth come from inside. No more crown for wicked throne. Flame reveal what Jah has shown. Preacher shout upon the street. Flame of reason at his feet. Every sinner feel the glow. Flame of love begin to show. Politicians start to hide. Flame expose the crooked side. Every liar, every scheme burn away like shadow dream. Work arise before the day. Flame of hope light up the way. Every sweat and every tear. Flame of courage draw them near. No oppression hold them long. Flame ignite the righteous song. Every hand unite as one. Flame of freedom overcome. Poet see the skyline red. Flame of change inside his head. Every verse a fire call, flame of vision burn them all. No illusion, no disguise, flame of truth reveal the lies. Everlasting, bold and pure, flame of justice will endure. Babylon tremble, night grow thin, flame of life rise deep within. Every heart a burning coal, flame of love restore the soul. Generation lift them on, flame of truth consume the land. Ever rising fierce and free, flame of Zion victory. Morning come, the smoke is gone, flame of mercy still live on. Every ruin bloom again, flame of peace remove the pain. No more king, no empty throne, flame of love make earth its home. Everlasting, strong and free, flame of Zion destiny. Burn, burn Babylon down, flame of justice wear the crown. Shine, shine bold and true, flame of mercy shine for you. Flame over Babylon rise and burn, teach the wicked what they must learn. Never fading, never small, flame of truth consume it all. Forever shining, fierce and bright, flame of Zion guide the night. Sacred fire, bold and free, flame of love eternity.